Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Talkie AI not working problem or Talkie AI not loading problem on PC. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes. So first of all, you have to clear the cache of the Talkie AI. So open Chrome and click on this three dot and then click on settings. Then click on privacy and security. Then click on third party cookies. Then click on see all site data and permissions. And here search for Talkie and then click on this trash icon to delete it. Next click on this extension icon and then click on manage extension and then toggle off all the extension. I only have two extension. If you have more extension then just toggle them off and then you can restart your PC once. And after a PC restart, go ahead, open the Talkie AI website and check if a problem is solved or not. If not, then please check the server status of Talkie AI website. So you can go to this website done for everyone or justme.com/talkie-ai. Is Talkie AI done? Yes, we are detecting problem with Talkie AI that began 3 days ago. So many people have reported this problem. You can see. You can also check the Talkie subreddit. Here they have mentioned the announcement. We are currently rolling out an upgrade to our web platform and infrastructure. As part of this process, our team is actively working to restore full access to our web experience. In the meantime, users can temporarily access Talkie via alternate domain, that is www.talkiex.com. So if Talkie AI server is down, having outage or under maintenance, then you can't do anything. You have to just wait for the server status to get back online and then you can check if the problem is solved or not. So that's all for this video.